Travel, in its essence, is woven with threads of discovery, adventure, and cultural immersion. Travel is the gateway to understanding, connecting, and appreciating the diversity that graces our planet. One of the most captivating aspects of travel is its ability to shatter the confines of routine and familiarity. As we step into the unknown, our senses awaken to new sights, sounds, and smells. The aroma of street food in Bangkok, the rhythmic beat of flamenco in Seville, the crisp mountain air in the Swiss Alps, each destination carries its unique signature that leaves an indelible mark on the traveler's soul. In this symphony of sensations, we find ourselves immersed in a world far removed from the monotony of everyday life. Beyond the sensory delights, travel serves as a bridge between cultures. It invites us to engage with people whose stories differ from our own, fostering empathy and understanding. Whether sipping tea with Bedouins in the deserts of Jordan or sharing a meal with a family in a remote village in Peru, these encounters weave a rich tapestry of human connection. In these moments, the barriers of language and geography dissolve, and we recognize the shared humanity that unites us all. Travel, however, is not merely about the destinations on a map, it is a journey within. It challenges preconceptions and broadens perspectives, inviting self-discovery and personal growth. Stepping out of one's comfort zone, whether it's conquering a fear of heights atop Machu Picchu or navigating the chaotic streets of Marrakech, instills a newfound confidence and resilience. The lessons learned on the road become a compass guiding us through the complexities of life. Moreover, travel is a celebration of diversity, a mosaic of landscapes, traditions, and histories that shape the world we inhabit. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the futuristic skyline of Dubai, every corner of the globe tells a story of the past and present. Exploring these narratives fosters a profound appreciation for the rich tapestry of human civilization, emphasizing both our shared heritage and the beauty of our differences. Yet, in the modern age, travel is not without its challenges. The environmental impact of mass tourism raises crucial questions about sustainability and responsible exploration. The imperative to tread lightly on the earth calls for a shift towards mindful travel, where each journey is a conscious step towards preserving the beauty and integrity of the destinations we visit. In essence, travel is a transformative force that transcends geographical boundaries. It is an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery, cultural exploration, and global understanding. As we navigate the vast expanse of our planet, let us do so with a sense of wonder, respect, and a commitment to preserving the enchanting tapestry that is our world. Through travel, we become not just explorers of the external world, but architects of a more interconnected and compassionate future.